Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel English Fluency Lab, where I help you improve your English language skills. Friends, in this video I'm going to cover the difference between the two words weather and weather. The first one is spelled as W-E-A-T-H-E-R and the second one is spelled as W-H-E-T-H-E-R. The pronunciation of both these words is the same. Some English language learners really get confused as to what is the correct use of these two words. So let's dive into it straight away. Let's start with the first word weather, which is spelled as W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Now, the first use of this word is that it is a noun. As a noun, weather means the atmosphere in terms of temperature, wind, clouds, and precipitation. So I'll repeat that. It is a noun. It means the atmosphere in terms of temperature, wind, clouds, and precipitation. Now let us take a few examples and understand this very clearly. We had great weather last week. Now, when you say that we had great weather last week means maybe it was not too cold, it was not too hot, it was very pleasant, and these people go out for a picnic or something. So we had great weather last week. Number two, I haven't seen the weather forecast. Is it going to be sunny tomorrow? So that's again the meaning of the word weather, where it is referring to the wind, the clouds, and the temperature. Number three, I don't like humid weather. Now, humid means weather which is very where you sweat a lot. Something like the weather in Chennai. So that is, I don't like humid weather. So I hope the first meaning of the word weather is clear, that it is a noun and it means it refers to the atmosphere in terms of temperature, wind, clouds, and the precipitation. Now there's another meaning of the word weather, which is a verb. Okay, if the first was a noun and the second one is a verb. Let's understand that. Now as a verb, to weather means to withstand or to endure. It can also mean to wear away after long exposure to the atmosphere. Let's understand this with a few examples. Prepare to weather the storm, the captain said. Now when you say prepare to weather the storm, that means prepare to face the storm. Maybe there's a storm coming ahead and these people are sailing and there's a storm which is going to come. So he's telling his crew that prepare to weather the storm, which means prepare to face the storm. Take whatever measures have to be taken to face the storm. The brick wall has weathered over the years. Weathered over the years means the brick wall, maybe the cement has come off, maybe the bricks are starting to fall, right? So it's no longer the same. That is the meaning of the word weathered. So which means to endure or to face, right? So that is the second meaning of the word weather. The first one is a noun, the second one is the verb. Now let us understand the meaning of the word weather, spelt as W-H-E-T-H-E-R. Now this is a conjunction. Whether is a conjunction that has a similar meaning to if. We often use whether when we are talking about a choice or doubt between two or more alternatives. Let's take a few examples. She could not decide whether to order pizza or pasta for dinner. She couldn't decide whether. Now there is a choice between two things and she can't decide between them. So hence the use of the word whether. It's a conjunction. You are going to school whether you like it or not, which means that you don't have a choice out here, whether you like it or not. I can't decide whether to study law or chemistry. Okay, there is a choice between two things. So the word whether, spelled as W-H-E-T-H-E-R, is a conjunction and has a similar meaning to the word if. So I hope the meaning of these two words is clear, the whether and weather. Let's take a few sentences in which both these words are there. She wants to go to the beach whether the weather is wet or dry. Now you have weather also and you have the word weather also. Here it is referring to the temperature, the wind, or the climatic conditions, and you have weather also, whether it is wet or dry, the choice between two things. When the weather is nice, they don't know whether to go to the beach or go to the park. Again, two choices, right? And you have the word weather and you have the word weather also out here. So friends, I hope the meaning of these two words is clear and you will not make a mistake going ahead with these two words. Now what I would like you to do is I would like you to practice writing sentences using these two words. Please put one or two sentences using both these words in the comment section and I'll be happy to provide you with some feedback if they are correct or not. Friends, if you have liked this video, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share with your friends and family and people who want to improve their English language skills. And please press the bell for all future related videos. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.